morning, everyone. Today is the 23rd of January, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting the Monday's morning market update. The Nifty had a oscillating action last week, forming a doji again, second consecutive time in the weekly charts. The sentiment of both greed and fear prevail. Another range bound action last week, which where we saw the Nifty stuck within the barriers. We have four consecutive weeks protecting the lows, which is at the important zone of 17,800. And the rallies are being sold into, not crossing the 18,250 level mark. The Nifty technically had crossed the short term averages on the daily charts, but what went missing was the follow up buying. The momentum indicators are still to generate any fresh bullish triggers, hence, price action is what we wait for. On the option chain, PCR is at 0.83. Call writing at 18,100 strike on Friday was seen. The maximum open interest is standing at 18,000 put and 18,100 and 18,500 call strikes. The market breadth has been neutral and we see very sector specific action and strength. Amongst the strong sectors, the PSE index tops the list, followed by capital goods, metals, and the IT index. The mid cap and the small cap indices have not shown any strength in the price action since last 3 weeks. Bank Nifty is also stuck in a range. A move beyond 42,700 mark will trigger the bullish move, whereas on the lower side, the 41,600-700 band remains the range. FIIs were sellers in cash market selling over 2,000 crores on Friday. And coming to markets, the major indices saw a bounce and a good rally on Friday, gaining around 1 to 2%. Dollar index dips further and trades at 101.6, 101.5 is where the important support lies, whereas the overall trend of dollar index is down. Crude oil has shown strength and has gradually inched from 72 levels to 81 levels. SGX Nifty trades 104 points positive, indicating a higher gap up opening. To conclude, with the budget round the corner and with the monthly expiry this week, we expect a big trending move on the cards soon. We will not suggest to be overwhelmed with the gap up opening and would rather wait for a decisive move beyond the 18250 level for a bullish turnaround and a decisive uptrend to start. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 18,000 and 7,900, resistance 18,150 and 18,260. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,700 and 41,600, resistance 42,700 and 43,100. Thank you and have a great day.